Good morning students. Hope you are able to understand roadways. Now I am going to explain railways. In most countries, including our motherland India, trains are the most important means of transport for people and goods. They can efficiently move a large number of people over a long distance. They are also useful for moving goods from one place to another. The British introduced railway in India in mid-19th century. The first passenger train in India ran in Mumbai between Boribandar station and Thane on 16th April 1853. India's nationalized railway are the lifeline of our country. It covers the length and breadth of India. Every remote location in India cannot be very far away from a railway station. India has the second largest railway network in Asia and fourth largest in the world. The USA has the largest railway network in the world. The longest train route in the world is the Trans-Siberian Railway, which connects Moscow to Vladivostok since 1916. With the length of 9,200 kilometers, it is the longest railway line in the world. The train running on this route covers this distance in 178 hours. It spans a record 8 time zones, taking 8 days to complete the journey. High-speed rail is a type of rail transport that runs significantly faster than traditional railway using specialized track. The first high-speed rail system began operations in Japan in 1964, which is known as bullet train. Many countries have built and developed high-speed rail infrastructure to connect major cities. The Shanghai Maglev train can run at a speed of 430 km per hour. The TGV is France intercity high-speed rail service. It carries 110 million passengers in a year. Let's get a small glimpse of these fast trains.
In 1964, Japan unveils the Shinkansen bullet train, and it has the Japanese glued to their televisions. As news helicopters filming the train struggle to keep up, cheers erupt in living rooms across the nation. The Shinkansen is a powerful symbol of Japan's post-war recovery.
واحد المتوجه إلى
Thank you very much student for listening this explanation on railways. Now we will see a small video on Trans-Siberian Railway.